Good morning, everyone. Before you want to install a solar system into your house, what some of the concepts you need to understand first. First thing is that what is NEM solar system? NEM means it's an acronym for Net Energy Metering System. Okay, so I will show you now what is actually an NEM system, and hopefully by the end of this video you understand the concept of NEM. Okay, NEM is regulated by SEDA, the government body which oversees the solar system implementation in Malaysia. I installed my NEM system in 2019. If you look at it now, it's still available from the 2021 to 2023. Presently, the NEM solar system is only installed on residential houses, landed properties in Malaysia. This is a TNB NEM meter. It reads the energy generated from your solar panels and the consumption of electricity through the grid. You can see the reading of 10564 kilowatt hours. That's the import of energy through the solar panels. We are only concerned with kilowatt hours. This will be shown on your billing. Now 5042 is the cumulative kilowatt hours exported out through the grid. That means this is your consumption through the grid. So the import less the export reading will give you the net billing for your electricity. Now this is my installed system, the NEM solar system. We have the NEM meter on the left. You notice the modem right below the NEM meter, which has a blinking lights. That gives you your billing every month through the apps installed on your phone. This white box on your right, there is this called the inverter. Now it has a modem. You can see the long black tail at the bottom. That's their modem transmitting the data to an online site for them to get you statistics on your solar system. This white box, the inverter, converts the solar energy from DC to AC, which can be used inside your household for all the appliances. This box connects to the solar panels on the roof. The inverter together with the solar panels are the heart of the solar system, and the inverter has its own serial number at the side here, which you can claim for warranty if there's any defect. These are two apps you need to install on your phone, the solar system apps and the TNB apps to monitor your solar system. My inverter through the modem transmits data every day on the energy generated by the solar panels. My solar system apps generates data statistics on a daily and monthly basis like this. Now we open the Tenaga national apps, TNB apps. The TNB app shows your bill for each month. It gets the data direct from the NEM via the modem sent to the TNB systems. This is my monthly bill. It shows you the import and export in terms of kilowatt hours as well as in ringgit value. Thus, this is a net metering bill, NEM bill from Tenaga Nasional. The TNB apps also shows you statistics on your net billing every month in terms of ringgit here. The data statistics showing your billings in terms of kilowatt hours. I hope this video has educated you on the NEM solar system. Thank you.